Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is Learn to Draw a Caterpillar. And for this art activity, which also encourages visual discrimination and fine motor skills, we are going to be using a template from Step-by-Step Drawing Collection of sendowl.com. You will also need some pens or pencils, some crayons or markers, and some blank white paper. First step, assemble all your materials, download the template, which will be linked to the Pinterest board where I have this, will be in the show notes. Here is the template. So you're going to have all of your materials in front of you. First step is for the student to study from left to right all of the numbers. This is an actual step by step. So the student must very, very carefully look at each step, draw it on that blank paper, and carefully check it before proceeding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Once the student has completed all of the steps and has carefully checked each one to make sure that each part is correct, the student may use the markers and color in the caterpillar. This one, the student has been creative and used original coloring, or the student can color the caterpillar accurately with the typical green color. An optional step would be for your student to frame the drawing once completed, sign it, and hang it up. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please do hit subscribe to get new teaching subjects in all different activities and language arts, math, science, and so on every week. And to find even more resources for your family, do check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Until we meet again, goodbye.